gives us both situation of very special athletes. And I think that certainly applies here to Roxy, who started in the reality of wrestling at age 17. Her first few matches here at the World Gym Arena, she took a Greyhound bus to get here. Tonight, she has an opportunity to leave with the Diamonds Division.
And your Diamonds Division champion, Hyon!
And when you talk about the Diamonds title, her name is the first that must come up. She is the standard bearer. Years ago, a myriad of athletes have held that championship. Only 2 have held it 3 times, the other being Kylie Ray. Hyon, a different type of athlete. She can do it all. The Diamonds title is the purse in tonight's main event. What a story Roxy could author if she could capture that championship. And I'm sure Hyon is planning on teaching it to her.
Oh, both women getting in before the count of 10.
Roxy cartwheel over the top and curtsies to Hyon and follows it up with some offense of her own.
Hyon, Roxy trying to get this crowd fired up. Oh, under the second rope with a dive to the outside.
Is not on her level.
You might be right, Matt Topolsky, but I also think that Hyon wants to walk out the champion, and sometimes you want to walk out by any means necessary. But it just all depends on the situation that she finds herself in during the course of this match. And right now she finds herself in a very good position, bringing the offense to Roxy, but Roxy looking for a counter, roll up.
Roxy, innovative pin attempt here. Hyon, main event befitting of the blue label of professional wrestling. Roxy, Russian leg sweep.
Challenger, that bought her new life.
Roxy trying to pull her equilibrium together here. Looks like she may have done it. Hyon blocks the reversal. A reversal of her own from the champion. Roxy sent now face first into the top turnbuckle.
Swing and a miss.
Hyon has a different ending to this story. And there it is. Count some C's. 1, 2, no! Roxy! Muscle memory or the heart of a lion. Whatever it is, she wiggles out that arm. Slips out the back door and keeps this match rolling.
Impressive by Roxy.
The first time we have seen an athlete kick out of beauty sleep. And a stunned look painted across the face, unceremoniously.
What's gonna happen here, Matt? Got her on that top rope. What the champion is thinking right now.
Hyon trying to take it to the next level, rakes the back. Oh, Hyon looking for beauty sleep from the top rope, Brad. Oh my God, how devastating would this be?
Oh my goodness. Oh!
God! Both of these athletes pressing the self-destruct button. That has got to be all. 2!
Her foot was on the rope. Roxy's foot on the rope. Hooked the leg and pulled back on them. Roxy's right leg, I think, inadvertently landed on that bottom rope, but saving her in this match.
And now Hyon telling the official to count it. Hyon exasperated. Hyon. Roxy now up to a count of 9.
Roxy gets back in at 9.5 or 50.
Hyon has done this before. As I said, a 5-tool player, and this is one of the tools in her bag. Roxy, however.
Roxy rose to her feet like Tyson Fury in the 12th round with Wilder.
Roxy, wait a second! Oh. That's set up, DDT!
tonight that Roxy was out of it. That Roxy didn't have an opportunity to come away with a win. And somehow, some way, Roxy walks out the new Diamonds champion. And Matt Topolsky, if my math is correct, she is now the youngest Diamonds champion. Scratch that. She is the youngest champion in reality of wrestling history at 18 years of age.
Proof positive that if you work hard, if you're persistent, if you're consistent, if you never quit, you can achieve anything. And tonight, in front of our family, in front of our friends, in front of everyone who made the pilgrimage here to the World Gym Arena, Roxy is Diamonds Division Champion.